Hi guys! I have a pet, but this time it's not a lizard anymore. It's a grasshopper or a bush cricket. Because earlier I saw him in my kitchen, so I told a guardian to catch. I told my guardian to catch it. Then the guardian put in the container, and that's how I get my pet bush cricket. And do you know what's his name? Grass Jumper. His name is Grass Jumper. Grass Jumper. His name is Grass Jumper because he looks like a grasshopper. It kind of looks adorable, but I'm just scared of bush crickets, of course. And look at him. He's just chilling there, moving. Wanna see him move? And also he flies. And this insect is called a bush cricket. Again, this insect is called a bush cricket. I forgot the decorations, but I'm sure he'll survive because the decorations are too annoying. And look at him. He's moving. Then he's crawling. But this hole is actually covered in tape. But there are little holes for it to breathe. And look at him. Doesn't he look adorable? I'm sure I'm gonna take care of him. His name is Grass Jumper. But I can't touch him. I'm really scared of him. But still, I'm still curious about him. Okay guys. If my pet is adorable, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. But if you subscribed, just give it a thumbs up. But if you already did, that's good. But if you don't like my pet, just scroll and don't watch this video if you don't like my pet. Okay, bye. But if you don't think he is adorable, just don't call him ugly. Bye.